Here comes the sun. Do-do-do-do. I think it's gonna be a great day.
Good morning. We moved anchorages, although I can't say it was super successful. We had a slight engine problem.
How's it going in there?
Typical. Trying to leave, something breaks, but I think I found it. It's the starter. That's the connector, and it literally broke off one of the electrical connections. Can you see that?
Kind of, sort of, yeah.
So I just gotta replace it. We should be leaving in half an hour now.
Supervisor.
Yep. Always working, that cat.
You don't look so impressed.
Anyway, we made it here, one engine down, and well, it's another beautiful spot. We're just off of this little motu. This is where the mantas are supposed to be. And you can't bait manta rays, which is really cool because the sharks and rays are neat and all, but they feed them all the time, so it's just not a real natural experience. But manta rays, you just gotta be at the right place at the right time. So we're gonna jump in and hope that we're at the right place at the right time. Get it, Bo!
The zones. Let's name the zones of the open sea.
Mr. Ray!
This cool spotted eagle ray is all the ray action we get. But fast forward 4 days.
And we spot our first manta. It's wild to think that this alien-looking creature is our neighbor. It's as if the ocean surface is a dividing line between our parallel universes.
Beautiful.
Oh, the things we do. Reef balls are their cleaning stations. They circle around while the fish bite off all their dead skin and parasites. We try to be good guests and stay out of the way. Plus, it's like a spa treatment. It would be rude to interrupt. Mantas are giant sea creatures. This guy has a wingspan of about 10 feet, but his cousins can get massive and weigh up to 2 tons. But don't worry, they're completely harmless and super sweet. In fact, if mantas had social profiles, I think they'd be Insta-famous.
We got a code, Finn. Can somebody get wardrobe over your staff?
How awesome was that?
Man, they are so graceful. They are just their mouths and the whatever the part is that opens up. You can see their gills. Hold on, I'm wasting water here. Wow. This is why we bought a boat, so we can have unique experiences like that. That's just so, I don't know. We've been looking for them for a couple days and we haven't seen them, and now it's like, oh, I can't wait to see them again. Yeah, that was neat. That was really neat.
I concur. That was absolutely incredible. And we just had them all to ourselves. And that, wow. That's the dream. That is like holding a camera. I was having a moment. No. I will get you back. Having our coffee?
And I think I saw some mantas just off our port side, about 100 yards. Got the dive flag in the water, mask goo on. Let's go. I mean, literally, let's go. They're gonna get scared away. Well, the viz was crap, but
It was crap, but we saw one manta ray for a brief, glorious moment. And yeah, and fish, and you know, just regular underwater life. How awesome is my hair right now?
Pretty sweet.
You're welcome.
Rockstar. And I have some very, very, very sad news.
You killed the GoPro.
We killed the GoPro.
Yes. Note to self.
40 feet is too deep for the GoPro.
It's lesson learned. We just can't go free diving or snorkeling even, because then you want to free dive without the housing on the GoPro, because we went further than the 33 feet without thinking about it and killed it.
R.I.P.
R.I.P. Yeah.
Well. Hey, it was a good day in the office though.
Ah, police! Your office time hasn't even started.
What? You're gonna make me work?
Yes, we have so much computer editing to do. Are you? Yeah, that's a joke and you know it. That's okay. We had an awesome morning and now we'll spend our afternoon working. I could think of way worse situations.
Me too. Alright, to the grindstone.
That does not sound good.
No, that's good. It's taking off the starter. Just checked everything, double checked, triple checked. Battery's fine. Solenoid's fine. We cannot get the starter to go. It's gotta be the starter. It's probably just corroded on the inside. I gotta disassemble it. It's probably the first time the starter's ever been off, so I just broke the seal on that nut for the first time. Whew. Took me like 10 minutes. Can't break the bolt because if I break it, holy crap, we're screwed. Jeez. Alright,
So
step one.
It was hard to break the nut, but if you break the screw,
I broke the seal on that bolt. It's the first time it's ever been taken off. Does that make sense to you?
yes, it does. It just also sounded like a bad, dirty joke. Sorry.
Oh, my head's not even there.
I know.
Clearly. My head's in man land down here in the engine.
I know. That's why I can't believe it. Yeah.
Oh yeah, and the water pump. The water pump busted yesterday on the Watermaker. Lost the GoPro. 2 of my Mavic batteries are bloated.
2 of them?
2 of them.
No.
Yeah. Shit,
Damn
it's just
it,
going
everything's
wrong
going to
everywhere. You see that? This is the clip that holds the battery in the drone. It's cracked in half. And the battery is poofy. I don't know if you can see that.
Yeah.
It's got some air in there, which means this battery's bad. It could have dislodged itself from the drone, popped out while we were flying, and crashed. Landed. We're super lucky. It's fully charged. It looks like it's fine. It's just puffy in the broken clip.
Not safe to you. It's funny, I'm more concerned about my Mavic batteries than
the engine.
There's no room. Jeez. I can barely even get a turn on it. Four screws. Try to break this one. I got it. Here comes the starter. That's it? I thought it was gonna be bigger. It looked bigger in the videos. That's the starter. That's the starter. That's a solenoid. And that thing still works. This thing is obviously rusted to hell, so it's probably corroded on the inside as well. By the way, I've never done this before, ever, so don't think I'm an expert.
But you watched like 5 YouTube videos, so you're practically
I'm practically an expert. I watched 3 YouTube videos on motorcycle starters because I couldn't find anything on a sailboat, Yanmar 39. It's basically the same idea. Oh, and we did try like hitting it because that obviously can sometimes loosen it up. If you watch YouTube videos, you'll see that obviously can happen, but it didn't work.
Ooh, yeah, that is some stuff in there. engine cleaning. And engine cleaning parts is officially my job.
Really?
Well, I don't know. I'm always the one doing the cleaning of parts and engines.
I disassemble it or break it and you clean it.
Yeah.
Sounds like a plan. Yummy.
Practically not brand new, but it's probably gonna work. Maybe, sort of, kinda.
You sound extremely sure of
So
yourself.
positive, yeah. It's gonna have to work. Look at that. Spinning like a champ, though.
A little clean.
As clean as you're gonna
Clean.
get it without, going crazy.
Alright, I'll put it back on. Alright. She's ready. All put back together. I'll stay down here. I got the hatch open so I can yell at you.
Okay. Maybe don't stand over the engine.
No, I
just
won't,
in case,
yeah.
Okay, are you ready?
Ready?
Everything's clear?
Clear.
Fingers crossed. Whee! Good job! Task 1 accomplished, so immediately moving on to
Yeah.
task 2.
Oh man. I do not like this. This is the third pump I've replaced on this. 2 of them were the wrong pumps. This one's the right pump and it's only been 6 months. Not fun. Alright, I gotta clean up and dry off this crap. Watch out, buddy. Hey, don't go in there. It's greasy.
He's just gonna double check our work.
Black to black. And red to red. Okay, here we go. Basically, I just disassembled it, lubed it with silicone, and reassembled it. It was leaking here, that's just silicone, and then out that little hole. Alright, now turn on the pump.
Just the regular boost pump, right?
Yeah.
Can we turn the water off?
Yeah.
This one?
Yep.
Oh, I'm sorry, love.
Well, I have nothing good to say about that.
So sailor showers for us for a while?
Yep.
Yep.
Damn it.
Do you need one of those?
Yeah. I just got the email from Rich, the guy that makes our Watermaker. He says, the problem is that your house freshwater pump must be pushing more than the maximum inlet 30 psi into the boost pump head. It's like we're chasing our freaking tails with this stupid...
Do you want to tell everybody what that means in layman's terms?
Okay, so in normal people's terms, our freshwater flush, after we run the Watermaker, we have to run fresh water through the membranes to help clean it out. To clean out the salt and all the bioorganisms that live in the salt water. So the house pump, the pump that pushes the water, the fresh water through all of our house, runs at 55 psi. And apparently that pump that busted can only handle 30 psi. It's a $400 pump, and now he sends me a link to a $22 regulator that can knock it down to 30 psi. I mean, Rich doesn't know what pump I have on my house, the household water, so it's not his fault. But when you get a boat that's used, you don't know all the systems 100%. I didn't install it. I didn't know all the precautions, so frick, it's my fault, but how the hell am I supposed to know?
You're just supposed to know.
Damn it.
Like all things with boats, you're just supposed to know.
You're supposed to know all this crap, and then it's just all thrown on you, and then I rebuilt the starter today. I should be super stoked, but no, I gotta go somehow find a pump that's gonna cost me $600 here in Bora Bora, and then buy some $20 piece from the United States, which is gonna cost me $500 to ship here.
Those numbers might be slightly inflated by your frustration.
I'm sweating balls, man.
Oh, I know.
Oh.
Our sunshine turned back into rain. Oh, so it is very, very, very muggy, humid, and hot today. And it's boat project day, which is not going well for the Wynn household. But it has gone well. It's just one problem. But that's all it takes, really. There's a storm brewing out there.
Batten down the hatches. It's gonna be a biggin'. Looks like a proper storm.
You right?
First time we've seen lightning, I think, here in French Polynesia, period.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Too.